Hello, my name is Esmeralda. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use an Agar plate. This is an important thing you need to know before starting. After it has been 3 days, put the used Agar plates on the zipper bag and do not bring used Agar plates to anywhere or anyone because it will spread the bacteria and everyone can get sick. You will need to punch 3 holes. First, you will need a punch hole and a piece of paper. Carefully try to turn it around and get 3 circle of paper. I recommend to put down on a plate so you can easily find it. Now you will need a cotton swab and an Agar plate. Carefully open the Agar plate. Carefully do a zigzag on the Agar plate surface. In the cotton swab, it has my saliva that I'm going to put in the Agar plate. Try to do a 360 around the Agar plate surface so it gets full. Try not to do it hard or it will be damaged. After that, throw away the cotton swab in the trash. Now you will need the 3 circle papers on the plate. Get your garlic extract and put it on the 3 paper circles. Try to let the paper soak the garlic extract. Now get your Agar plate and tweezers. Carefully get 3 circle papers one by one in the Agar plate. Put them in a distance to see the bacteria distance on the 3 paper circles. And this is how it should look like. Put back the Agar lid. And then the next step is carefully put 2 tapes on each side on the Agar plate. Now get a black Sharpie and write down what is being tested so you know which one it is. Rotate the Agar plate carefully upside down. You will need a desktop lamp or a portable heater and it has to be 85 through 100 degrees. Leave it there for 3 days and you can see each day how the bacteria looks in the Agar plate. That is all. Hope you learned something new and have a good day. Bye bye.